Are you gonna intro or am I gonna intro?
I did the last one.
What's going on everyone? Lumiere Log 08, my name's Joshua, this is Tim Williams, and we're coming at you with a brand new intro.
Hey! Welcome back from that awesome intro. Thanks, bro. So we're trying something new today. The word on the street is that if you're in the public speaking arena, eating an apple before you speak clears the mouth, cleans the teeth, and you're good to roll.
Yesterday we chucked up a video on Instagram TV. It's a little bit of a laugh, but it's the first time we ever did a behind the scenes video. Tim Williams is talking at a company called Pix, but in the interview we were laughing because he says quite a bit. So check it out on Instagram TV.
I actually wasn't aware that you did that Instagram video, and I feel really hurt and betrayed.
So on the topic of creating video content on the regular, time management is a big thing to talk about. We always try and refine our processes, but unfortunately video does take a long time. So that started a conversation a few weeks ago about bringing an intern into the Lumiere sphere.
Cool. No, we were finding that our fingers were spreading throughout multiple pies, and we were actually being less efficient in the areas that we needed to be efficient. So that's where the idea of an intern came in. So yeah, we're just exploring that idea and being able to create an environment where Lumiere is not only a working environment, but also a resource that can import and grow into people who are just as passionate as we are about the digital media space. The whole idea with the intern model is that they offer their time in the return for knowledge and experience. Whenever we do jobs that have an assistant component to it, that's where they will be able to get a paid piece from it, and then hopefully that they can come in and just spend some time leaning and gleaning from whatever knowledge we may have, but also just getting the understandings of the nuts and bolts of what Lumiere is and what we're trying to achieve here.
We listen to Gary Vaynerchuk a lot, and his social media model is document and not create. So why not document your life instead of having to create pieces left, right and center. Creation takes a lot of energy, a lot of time, but documenting, just sticking a camera in front of you, talking about your thoughts, it's actually not too hard to create a lot of content that way. But with that intern idea that Tim was talking about, we want to incorporate them into helping us document the Lumiere journey. So because we're being intentional about growing our brand and creating lots of content for ourselves, we need people just to take that load off us. Having an intern to be able to document what we're doing, editing our internal videos would be a huge help.
It's risky, but you know, we're taking a step and we want to grow. And speaking of growing, we have changed our audio capturing process. Yeah. You might be sitting there in your lounge room with your fire going in the corner and a nice glass of red wine, thinking, boy, those boys sound good. And you'd be right, because we have a new process where we're actually using these smart labs. A smart lab being they actually have a brain of their own. Pretty simple, and it gets pretty good quality recording. We don't have to be setting up a boom with our full audio rig every time, just makes it nice and efficient.
So once we finish recording on these, just click a button, upload it to Dropbox, and it's already on the computer. So if you've got a spare $120 and you're sitting on an iPhone, then this is an awesome solution for you to get high quality audio to sync with your video. Without the mic, this is what it's sounding like. We're recording through the camera at the moment, and you'll hear it's just horrible. You can hear background noise, probably hear the fan of the computer. The difference is obviously noticeable, so if we switch back to the microphone, you can hear the audio quality increases heaps, and so does the quality of your video.
That's it from us. Just a quick recap what's happened in the past week. I'm out of here for 2 days. I'm up to Auckland for the New Zealand National Retail Conference, and Joshua will be holding the fort here while I'm gone, but we'll be back at it on Monday.
If you have any questions or anything you want to see featured in these logs, something we can chat about in the photo and video space, we would love to hear what you have to say. So pop us a line below, follow us on Instagram, or check us out www.lumiere.nz, and we'll see you in the next one.
I feel like I'm saying I'm less, and I feel like, yeah, I just want someone like, I want a high five thing here. Yeah.
Yes,